Hey guys, it's Archie Luxury, and today we're going to do a Breguet unboxing. And just to give you an idea of the ambience, the feel, the class, this is Breguet. Look at this Montegrappa pen here, LV watch roll. This is the sales brochure for modern Breguets. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's go and do our first unboxing today. We've got 3 Breguets and we're going to unbox each one individually. Today, on this video here, you are going to see the Breguet Type 21. Type 21. Let's take a look. So firstly, let's have a look here. This is the outer box. It's got the famous Breguet logo on the box. Okay, let's open this up. I'm going to open this up. I'm trying to do this whilst filming the vid, which is not always easy, but we'll give it a shot. Hey, what do you think, hey? Oh, there we go. We've just taken the outer box lid off. Okay, so what do we have here? This is a beautiful wooden box inside there. If we take a look, we can see the Breguet name, Breguet logo on the box itself there. Very interesting system here. It's got a pull system. This is where the documents. Now, unfortunately, this Breguet here is what they call a divorce Breguet. You know the old saying, it's French to have an affair, it's American to get caught. Unfortunately, this Breguet owner was caught, and the nasty bitch decided to take it out on an innocent Breguet watch, his favorite, the Type 21, which unfortunately he had to sell to pay lawyers' bills in the divorce. Okay, let's have a look at this box. Is just incredible, wooden. Now, a lot of boxes are just, MDF, particle board with a veneer. But this, I believe, is like a fine guitar. Da-da-da-da, let's press the button. Boom. And here we go. The Breguet Dream can open up. Look at this here. Wow, what a fucking look at this. Look at the logo, Breguet. Look at how it's presented in its environment. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is a Breguet Type 21 in rose gold. Get the fuck out of my way, you lousy piece of shit. Look at this. Now, this box here, they're starting to use this box. Interestingly enough, I saw this box in the TGV, the Urban Gentry video, when he went to Breguet, New York for his 7057. I indeed own a 7057 myself and a 7147, where I've got the more traditional coffin box, where he had the cube. I don't know, is Breguet standardizing on the cube? I'm not sure, but they used to use the cube box for watches that had a deployant buckle, hence needing the cube as opposed to the coffin. But if we have a look here, you can see here I've got the deployant buckle, and it is just superb. This is the Breguet Type 21. This is the sports watch to rival sports watches. I mean, let's face it, guys. If you were in the super elite, would you rather have a Patek Nautilus chronograph, or do you want this fine Breguet? See, the refined gentleman himself would go for the Breguet. It is such a beautiful watch. Now, interestingly enough, they have relaunched the Gold Type 20. However, they've done a few things which I really am not happy with. What they've done is they've done away with the coin edging. I suspect it was because of the cost of doing it. It is a labor-intensive bitch to do. So let's have a look here. This is the Type 21. Have a look at that dial. Brown, it's layered, this is a very expensive dial to create. The other thing I prefer on the Type 21 is the fact that the date is at the 6th position, whereas on the new Type 20, they've put it between the 4 and the 5. Now, interestingly enough, I must tell you, I love the emphasis of blue and the rose gold. That is a great way to go. I also love the fact it comes on a leather strap, and also you can get it on a NATO strap to emphasize its sporting prowess. I'm going to be playing with this Breguet. I'm going to be getting some independent NATOs and see if I can create my own aviation-themed military watch. Have a sticky beak at this. This is Breguet. This is what it's about. This is what it is about. Take a sticky at that. The pushers, the crown, signed Breguet, of course. The way it's done. The crystal is a domed crystal, very cleverly done. Take a look at that. Look at the lugs. Everything Breguet does is not done for convenience. It's done the best way. The leather strap that they use is a custom leather strap with steel enforced where it joins the case so that it sits perfectly. Everything is a fucking pain in the ass to do. And that's Breguet. That is Breguet, and that's what they do. They do things which really are difficult, time and costly, but make the watch superior. And I've got to tell you, the Breguet, this is the Breguet Type 21. Fucking beautiful. That's all I can say. It is a fucking beautiful watch. Absolutely chicken winner chicken dinner. This is Breguet at its best. The ultimate sports watch. And I've got to be totally honest with you. If I had a choice, I think this watch really compares to the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak offshore. And I'd much rather have a Breguet, gold Breguet chronograph. Flyback chronograph. And the party trick with this watch here is actually the way the chronograph is executed. The way it records the minutes is got it's got a center second, and it's also got the recording is done via another hand. It makes it look like a hillbilly double split. So I think it's just a gorgeous watch there. Breguets themselves there. I've got to be honest with you. Look at the detail of this box here. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's just absolutely stunning. Let's run. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's start this chronograph. There we go. And as you can see, there is still a secondary second hand, like a double split, but it's not actually a double split. What it does is it measures the minute marker via the centerpiece. Now, I got to tell you something. This is a fucking clever idea, because by the time one can afford a Breguet, you've gained a few years and pounds. And in my case, I can't fucking see shit for clay without a pair of spectacles. But the beautiful thing is, with this chronograph here, oh fuck, what's happened here? It's not wound up. Fuck. You know, I make these videos here, and I try my best. You know, what do? I try my best to get it done. And the fucking thing it just lets me fucking down. You know, what a bitch. Come on, you little bastard. I'm trying to fucking talk the brand up, you fucking lousy fucking cunt. Here we go. It's coming now. I was going to see. The center seconds is marked by... Have a look there. We've got the... Okay, let's get this. Is it going to go? Have I got enough zoom? I gave the thing a shake discreetly, trying to talk about the box. And I was shaking it in the background. I don't know if this fucking thing will do it for me. It's going to make a fool of me when I'm trying to show up that cunt TVG. I got 3 Breguets. The cunt got 1. I got fucking 3 of the bastards. And I mean, fuck me dead. They got that Donny Haynes geezer. Donny Haynes. He thinks he's so fucking... Just a fucking... Beanie Babies. Collecting Beanie Babies, Arch. Beanie Babies? I don't think there's Beanie Babies. I got 3 fucking Breguets. I don't say lewd remarks about your M4, do I? Okay, there we go. I think it's moved one over. And see, that's how it records. That's how it actually records the minutes. It's got that center second. See, center second recording of the minutes. What a fucking clever idea. As long as this fucking thing keeps going, we'll take a fucking look at this thing again. I should have wound this fucking bitch up before I did the video. It's always one of these things. You think about it later. But I want to make sure these little fuckers in the watch community realize I'm the pontiff. That's why I earn the big bucks. And I've got the fucking washing machine in the background. Fuck me dead. Fuck me dead. Everything fucking doesn't fucking... I may be a Breguet man, but fuck me dead. I got to put up with so many fucking inconveniences, don't I? Every fucking time. Washing machine in the back. Okay, there we go. You can see now how it marks. You can see how it marks the minutes. The minutes, look at that. Very cleverly done. Look at that. That's the center marker there. It's a very clever idea. And I love the little thing. I love the little fucker. Love the pontiff. Love the pontiff. Love the pontiff. So there we go, guys. That is how it's done. That's the Breguet Type 21. It's a flyback chronograph, so you can, what that means, you can reset this bitch on the fly. As per military specs, we'll just stop it and reset back to neutral there. Okay, dokie. So let's put this back in the box there. Look at that. That is just a fucking winner chicken fucking dinner. Microwaved, full heat. What do you think, guys? Fuck, I just dropped the box. You know, try doing this shit with one hand. I'm trying to make a fucking bitch, isn't it? Fucking bitch. So there we go. That's the Breguet Type 21. Do you like, and that's the sales brochure. What do you think? Do you like it? What do you think, guys? Tell me what you think of the Breguet Type 21. I will catch you in the next video. I'm going to be highlighting the Breguet 7147. Okay, guys. And don't forget, guys, too, the way I survive is by making live streams. I do daily live streams. Daily live streams. I do streaming twice a day on the Archie Luxury live stream channel. Check it out. I'll put a link in one of the fucking corners. And check it out. And you can talk anything about watches, Breguet, life, any fucking thing you want. Super chats is what keeps me going. Super chat, super chat, super chat. Okay, guys, check that fucker out. I'm Archie Luxury. I hope you've enjoyed this Breguet moment. Tell me what you fuckers think of that.